guys, Norm with Bearable Traders. It is Thursday, April 11th, 2019. Quick recap for today, but before I jump into that, we announced late yesterday that we're going to push back the start of the challenge. We made a tweak to it also, so I'll get to that in just a second. But because of Good Friday being on the 19th and the markets being closed, there were some people that were going to be on vacation and such around this time. They wanted to see if, and we got enough that we thought we'd push it. The start of the practice week will be on April 22nd. The start of the challenge week will be on April 29th. So we hope that can accommodate people's schedules a little bit better, and that can help them make that work. The other thing is we got a lot of feedback about making the challenge consistency based. So check out bearabletraders.com. You can find a link on the homepage to the exact details of the challenge, but it's going to be based on a point system, daily net P&L. You'll be assigned a certain number of points. If we're not going to restrict what stocks you can trade because everybody has a different style. And because of the system we're working with, it's hard to do that, if not impossible. So it's a point-based system so that you'll get points each day for being, in a certain position. Those will be added up for the week. You won't be able to get any points if you have a negative day. So if only 5 people are positive on the day, only 5 people will get points. If you blow up your account or go negative for the week, negative P&L for the week, you won't be able to. So hypothetically, if you go get 10 points on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and you're in the lead, and then you blow up your account on Thursday, and you fall to $15,000 from the start of 25, you're ineligible to compete. So you have to have a positive P&L for the week. Anyway, hope those changes. Hope you like them. You can send an email to challenge@bearabletraders.com with any thoughts or insight, and we can get back to you. So real quick, on to my recap for today. I traded Apple, and I almost got stuck in the same funk I did yesterday. I was in a lot better condition, slept a lot better, felt a lot better. I knew the open was going to be choppy. Just where we're sitting on the SPY, waiting for earnings season to kick off essentially tomorrow. So I tried to take a little bounce of this chop, and Apple got stopped out. Tried to take it again these are both small size. Tried to take it again. I actually added to the position after it went through VWAP, stopped out break even. And then I had one stop out here that was slightly negative. So I ended up slightly negative on Apple for the day. After those 3 trades, I said 3 trades, I'm doing the same stuff. Get out of this. Stop doing it. So I looked around and I didn't see anything actually for a little bit. So I, took a couple of breaths, went back, and I saw this nice double bottom on NVDA. And I also had this level that, I trade NVIDIA a lot, and I've seen the stock react around the same level before, this 189.65. So I thought, okay, worth a shot. Came down, touched that, came back up. And here it looks like it's going to fall off again, holds. It's got volume there, but it's still wicked back up. So when I saw this, I went ahead and took it long. I got a slightly bad fill. I got filled at 1.90 I was trying to get about 10 cents better than that, but I think it jumped a tiny bit with a slippage in NVIDIA that happened. So my head was in the right place. I took a decent size in this trade. I was pretty confident of it after I saw this. It came back down and started to move back up. So I went ahead and wrote it, and my targets were eventually previous day close. But on the 5-minute, I took partials at the 50, or at these moving averages, I guess the 200, the 50. It hesitated for a while here, so I took another one off, and then I started partialing out as it broke 192 and then previous day close. As you can see, it still had some more room in it. I don't know if I'd have made it through this chop consolidation period. So anyway, it turned out to be a good trade. I didn't, I wanted to have a decent day, get back on my feet after Christmas string, my charts yesterday. Took 4 trades today, completely reasonable. Caught myself after 3 trades on Apple and said, this just isn't worth trading today, so move on. I actually took it off of my list for a little bit. I added it back on later just so I could keep an eye on it. But, so anyway, thanks for watching. Trade safe. Check out the challenge page at bearabletraders.com. Hope you can participate. If you have any thoughts or ideas, email challenge@bearabletraders.com. Trade safe. Thanks for watching.